Hello, class. My name is Adriana Torres, and I will be your instructor this semester. I hope that you perfect your pronunciation and that you become fluent English speakers this semester. Uh, I was born in Bakersfield, California, but moved to Imperial Valley a year after I was born. I have lived in El Centro, California, for quite some time now. I am married to a wonderful husband and I have two beautiful children. Now, before I became a college instructor, I was an elementary teacher. I taught a variety of elementary levels from kinder to sixth grade, and I really, really enjoyed it. I was teaching elementary in the daytime and teaching college students in the evening. And I decided to retire elementary teaching when my second child was born, since it was very overwhelming to have two jobs, a toddler, and a newborn. Yeah, it's been great. I love what I do. I love teaching. I enjoy watching you learn, and I try to challenge and have fun at the same time in the classroom. And I do not regret leaving elementary teaching behind one bit. So, just to tell you a little bit about myself, I hope to hear from you, and we'll see you soon. Bye.